My. Things certainly got ugly in the end. I really thought that we would come down around these levels first thing in the morning, and these are the lows for the futures that I had seen this morning. So I knew we were going to revisit them. I had hoped that we would come down, tag them, and then turn around and put a hammer in. So we have a considerable amount of days. 5 off days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 off days for the S&P, um, and it's quite a movement too. What are you looking at? We got a high of 748, and we're at 532, so easily 200 points. Um, so we got roughly about 4% sell off from that last peak that we have. And I would argue that this is a bearish market right here. Um, we have a high, and then a higher low, then a lower high. Now we're making a lower low. Well, actually, we need to come back and make a lower high and then trade off. And I think that we're going to do that. I'm looking for that 654 range. I'm hoping tomorrow we bounce off of that 508 or so. And this is our low. That would be splendid. I would not mind that in the least. But the momentum is looking really negative. The only thing that has me interested is that the 10-year is looking a little heavy. So we'll have to watch it. This closes at 3 o'clock, so it stopped trading. But the 10-year, if it breaks that 1.813 area, then I would imagine that it would pump the markets up a little bit. And I would say that, well, you know what? Yeah, the composite probably dragged the S&P down. The Dow's down almost 1%. Also, the S&P's down. So anyway, that's it. That's what I'm looking at. I'm going to bid you all farewell right now because I want to listen to the president and see what this bozo has to say. So everybody calm, cool, and at peace when you trade, and good luck with your trading.